Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 16.2 Beta 1. Apple released iOS 16.2 Beta 1 to developers today, and in this video, we are going to talk about is it worth updating your device to firmware or not. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. Alright, so let's talk about this update. Alright, so Apple released iOS 16.1 recently, which recently I talk about. It has just been 2 days that Apple released iOS 16.1 to public. It is a really good update, and I really love it on my devices. And today we already have the iOS 16.2 beta 1 on our devices. By now I haven't really found a lot of new things in this update, but there are some things that I have managed to find till now on this update. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. Be sure to subscribe if you are new here, because I'm really into this iOS game and just posting a lot of videos for you guys on this updates and a lot of things related to Apple products and iOS. DM me on Twitter at @TechHype if you have any query. Let's be friends and talk about tech together. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Alright, so this update came at 1.2 GB on my iPhone 12, and this update was really huge. It took a lot of time to install it, and my device was a bit warm while installing this, which was a bit weird because when I installed iOS 16.1 on my device, that was also 1.15 GB something, and it updated really quickly and my device was not at all warm. So it is a bit weird that it took a bit too long to install this update and my device was warm. And after updating my device to this firmware, I lost around 1.4 GB of storage from my device. So if you're someone worrying about storage and you don't have a lot of storage, consider deleting some of your stuff or backing up some of your data on your device before installing this update on your device. Apple has released the Freeform app for iPad and iOS on the iOS 16.2 and iPadOS 16.2 betas. This was something that they talked about in their developers conference, and Freeform is a digital canvas app that is designed to let iPhone and Apple users on their Mac and everything to work collaboratively in real time. It is a really good thing, and it is a really neat way to just collaborate and make presentations and all of those creative stuff. I'm not exactly a lot of into it, and I haven't really had a lot of information about related to it. If you do have a lot of information related to it and knowledge, of course share it down in comments below to us, and I will make sure to read it and pin your comment if you know a lot of stuff about canvases and all, because I'm really keen to know stuff about this, and it is a really neat software, and it is in the iOS 16.3 beta. 16.2. Then the wallpaper UI have some little tweaks, which means change the color. There are some new colors, and the color menu seems to be a bit tweaked than the iOS 16.1 version. It is a bit more darker shade, and some of the colors I see in the default place. Some of the colors are new here. Like earlier there was a gray color already in the default color section, and now the gray is replaced with a dark blue one. So there is some differences that I have noticed from the 16.1 to 16.2. There aren't really a lot of new things that I have discovered as of now, but I am looking for a lot of hidden stuff and a lot of new stuff that is new in the iOS 16.2. It is a bit too early to talk about battery life, but the battery life seems to be surprisingly good on the iOS 16.2. Of course, it is a beta, so don't expect too much from this, but yes, it seems to be pretty good for a beta. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will be coming up with a lot of new videos related to this, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.